Alright. Arccaptain. This is supposed to be the 200 fit model. Let's try to get this out the box. This is going from bad to worse. Well, it's definitely boxed in real well, isn't it? Well packaged, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. That's my one wheel. Really wish that. Well, this is a gnarled wheel. Oh wow, that's great. A gnarled wheel. I didn't think it would come with a gnarled wheel, but a V wheel. It's a gnarled wheel, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's an 8 and a 9. Isn't that 3 and a 3.5, Samantha? 8 millimeter is a 3.0. Excellent, excellent. I'm excited. I'm worried about my plug though. Yeah. Oh, what we got in here, Samantha? Yeah. So you're going to start welding tomorrow, Samantha? Oh, there's my whip. Look there, my whip. And my ground rod. There's my ground, that's from my stick. And my fuel line. I got 2 tips, 30 and 35. Excellent. Oh, look at my adapter, Samantha. Got my adapter. All right, guys, that's what you get with the Arccaptain 200 fit. I'm going to be welding primarily with stick and flux core. There's my tips. I'm glad I got that 3.0. All right, guys. All right, that's it.